Hello, Bryn here talking to you today about the product moment correlation coefficient. Today's video is to help you use Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets to find a correlation coefficient. So from the notes booklet you'll already know how to do this and using the calculator, pressing those buttons to get those values and finding a value of R. If you haven't got a calculator available to you, okay, graphical calculators, then you need to make sure that you're buying one from ParentPay. You should have had a letter from that about that already. But in the meantime, you can do this on Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, which is what I'm going to show you next. So here's my Google Sheets. I've already put some information in here. Okay. Just reminding you about the instructions. I'm going to use the example from notes booklet that I just showed you there about the the income and the infant mortality. Okay, in list 1, okay, I'm going to put the values from the list 1. That was the income. Okay, there should be 11 values there. And list 2, I'm going to put the values for list 2. That was the infant mortality. Okay, there's a function in Sheets or Excel called correl. Okay. So in this blank cell here, I'm going to write equals correl, and it shows up. There's the Pearson product moment correlation coefficient, and I'm going to put an open bracket. I'm now going to select the first set of data, and I'm highlighting those cells from A8 down to A18. They're highlighted orange, and you can see the orange text there as well. I'm going to put a comma, and then I'm going to highlight the second list of data. All right, B8 to B18. I'm going to close those brackets. Okay, when I press enter, it gives negative 0.739, and this is exactly what happened when you did it in class with the calculator. Okay, negative 0.739 for those two sets of data. If you want to do this with another set of data, then you can either copy this Google Sheet, which should be in the shared area, okay, should be on the Google Drive, or you can just start a new one, and as long as this formula at the top here highlights the two groups of cells, okay, the two lists, then you should be fine. Hope that helps you calculating the PMCC. If you're doing the SRCC, remember it's the ranks that are going in, but the same thing will work. Okay, so if I was to rank this data, which one's the smallest, which one's the biggest? So list 1, which is the smallest value, ranking from smallest to biggest, it's that one. Then the second smallest, then the third is actually that one. Okay, then rank the second list, which one's the smallest, and then the next smallest. Once you've done that for all the data, equals correl bracket, highlight that list of cells there, comma, highlight the next list of cells there, close bracket. Okay, obviously that's not worked because it hasn't got all the data in it, but that is how to use the correl function for PMCC and also for SRCC. Thanks, bye bye.